Hey guys, Surprise Second Toy Collector here with another giant Play-Doh surprise. But before we go ahead and have a look at what's inside our giant Play-Doh surprise, I would just like to give a quick shout out to another awesome channel. Now this parcel arrived in the post for me today, and this is from Toy Review Land, all the way in America. Now I have already opened it, and it did include a lovely letter saying that he saw these in a store and he had to buy them for me and my little boy. So I just want to show you what he got. Okay, so first up we have a Disney Infinity Elsa figure, and we also have the Venom figure. Now this is super nice of him, and he is an absolutely top guy. I'll pop a link to his channel in the description below so you can go and check him out. He does some awesome stop motion videos, and his Imaginext scenes are just amazing. But yeah, I know me and my little boy are going to have so much fun now with these. Thank you so much, Toy Review Land. Okay, so now we'll move on to our giant Play-Doh surprise. Now as you can see, this one is Hello Kitty. You can see she has her red bow and she's surrounded by pink and yellow love hearts. And she's super cute. Okay, so let's start peeling her back and seeing what we get inside. Okay, so in our giant surprise ball we have lots and lots of goodies. So let's start with our Hello Kitty Mega Bloks blind bag. So you can see all the figures to the front that are available to collect. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have a leaflet which shows all the Mega Bloks playsets, and we have this super cute little Hello Kitty. And she comes with a little flower. Okay, next up we have a Lalaloopsy Tiny's blind bag, and it says there's 24 to collect. So on the back you can see the ones that are available. So we'll open it up and see which one we get. And we have a super cute little horse. You can see it has a cute little orange bow and some funky pink hair. And there's also a tiny little heart. Super cute. Next we have a Hello Kitty surprise egg. So let's open this one and see what we get inside. Okay, so we have a pack of jelly beans, a leaflet, a sticker sheet, and a cute little Hello Kitty notebook. Next up we have a My Little Pony blind bag. So let's open it up and see which pony we get. And we have Lilac Hearts, who loves acting in plays. So have a closer look at our pony. You can see she has 3 little hearts for her cutie mark, and she's such a lovely shade of purple. Next up we have a Disney Princesses fashion, and these are from Series 1. So you can see you can get Snow White, Ariel, Cinderella, Belle, Aurora and Rapunzel. So let's open this one up and see who we get. And we have Aurora. Now these aren't very squishy at all. They are quite solid, but they are so pretty. I know you get the Mash'ems are very squishy. The My Little Pony ones are a little bit firmer than the Mash'ems, but these are quite firm. They're more rubbery than filled with anything. Oh, they're so cute. She has all her blonde hair and a beautiful pink dress. Okay, next up we have a Hello Kitty surprise ball. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what we get. Okay, so we have some tongue toos, which are little tattoos for your tongue. We have a bag of Hello Kitty candy. You can see there's super cute little Hello Kitty ones, and there's also some bow ones. And we have a super cute little Hello Kitty figurine. And as you can see from the back, I already have this one, so this will be going into a giveaway pot. Next up we have a Disney Fairies Kinder Surprise egg. So let's open this one up and see what surprise we get inside. Oop, the chocolate's already broken, oh dear. Okay, so inside our capsule, we have Tinkerbell. So I'll just go ahead and build her up and I'll be right back. And there we have our super cute little Tinkerbell figurine. As you can see, her wings are very sparkly and very pretty. And she's super cute. Next up we have a Littlest Pet Shop blind bag. So let's open this one up and see who we get. And we have this super cute little, I think it's a raccoon. And he's holding a sugar lump. And he comes with a little teapot. It's so cute. Next we have a Shopkins Season 2 basket. So let's see which two Shopkins we have. Okay, so our first Shopkin is Banana Splitty. And again, I think this one is a double, so we'll be going into our giveaway pot. Our second Shopkin is Corny Cob, who again is another duplicate, so again we'll be going into our giveaway pot. And finally, in our Hello Kitty surprise egg, we have a Hello Kitty Mega Bloks set. We'll go ahead and open this and have a closer look. Okay, so it comes with a musical themed background. And we have a little Hello Kitty with a blue bow and a blue dress. And she comes with her trumpet. So we'll pop her onto a base. There we go, that is so sweet. Okay, so there we have all our goodies from our giant Hello Kitty Play-Doh surprise. And as I mentioned in the video, we do have a few duplicates, so they will be going into a pot for my giveaways. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please leave it a like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all our new videos. You can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. All the details are in the description below. Okay, so thanks for tuning in and we'll see you again soon.